welcome to the HTML5 tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn how can we insert paragraph tag into HTML coding, HTML document or in our website. So HTML is really an interesting one, as I said in previous videos. So why do we use this paragraph tag? Paragraph tag is used in most of the websites because the content which you see in the page is due to paragraph tag. If you open your Facebook, you could see the post which is being posted by others because it is being enclosed in paragraph tag. Let me show you an example. I am opening my Chrome. Actually, there I'm going to open Wikipedia. It's loading, you can see it. Yeah, there, if I click Wikipedia, it goes there to the web page, and let me type Sam, and you could see that this is a paragraph. So whatever is written between this paragraph tag is being shown like this. So here there's an closing paragraph tag and here there's an opening paragraph tag actually. So in Wikipedia, in web pages like Wikipedia, paragraph tag is most used actually. You could see here also there's a paragraph tag used. So this is a paragraph tag. So let me open my VS Code actually. I'm opening it. Yes, and I'm going for full screen. Then okay, then pressing Alt, go to View, open Command Palette. So side screen, so side preview. So it is showing me there. It says hi there. So let me remove this actually. And yes, in today we are going to learn how can we insert paragraph tag in your website. So paragraph is basically most important in HTML. It is used to display text in your browser or web page actually. So paragraph has two tags actually, opening and closing tag. So like this. So the opening has no forward slash and the closing has a forward slash. You could see it. And in VS Code we have a specialty, which is that if I move the cursor over P, it shows the P element represents a paragraph. So it, even if you are a beginner, you will be able to learn it much quicker using moving a cursor over it. So it's a really specialty in VS Code. So what's the difference between P, paragraph and normal text? If I'm going to type a normal font here, over here, I'm going to type hi there, can you see me coding? So it shows it, and I'm leaving a space here. So you can see that I am leaving a space and coming to the next line. And again writing, I am leaving a space over here. Not like that. I am typing in the next line. Actually, I am typing this thing. Actually, I am typing this one in next line, but the browser is continuing in this same line. Actually, if I am expanding this, you could see it's not leaving any space over here. So, what's the reason behind this? Actually, that's a simple reason. The browser cannot understand if you're leaving spaces like this because it thinks that it is in the same line. So this makes a lot of confusion to both the creator and the web browser. So to prevent this, we are using paragraph tag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this line. I'm going to paste this between the paragraph tag. So you could see it. Actually, what's happening? Yeah. So I had cut it, and again I'm going to cut this also. And I'm going to open another paragraph tag. So again going to paste it there. So now if you could see, now the browser is immediately leaving a line with after it. So the usage of paragraph tag is that it leaves a single space, say a single line space between between two paragraph tags. So that's the specialty of it. And this is this is the end of the video, guys. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you like this video. So see you next video. Goodbye.